channel, Anushtha Kaushik. So today I'm going to do how you can get those nice wavy hair without using any kind of heat. Yeah, I have a pin straight hair, so you can see I have always craved for those nice wavy hair. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is comb your hair. Yeah, comb your hair and then make sure to part your hair in two sides. Okay, just make sure you can do it it's not really necessary कि आप एकदम margin से part करो, बस make sure to part your hair in two sides and then comb your hair. Okay, so there's no tangle around. Okay, so now as we have combed, the next step is damp your hair. You don't need to wet all your hair. Just take some water and this kind of a bottle. You can take any container or anything. Okay, it's like a spray bottle I have. So spray all over your hair. Okay, you don't have to wet all your hair. Make sure that. Okay, but nicely damp your hair. Then again the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now start taking your hair from above and turn it around. Okay, you can do it like this also. Okay, turn it around and then twist it like this. And then take another part of your hair. Now you have to keep doing this with whole of your one side and then with the other side. Okay, now keep turning it around, keep twisting it. Just don't do it very tightly. You have to do it tight so there's a nice wave till the next morning. Okay, turn it around, then add another around. Just like this, and do it a little tight so that when you sleep it doesn't open up. And then so now after doing this, take your rubber band. Okay, now you have to make a bun of this. Okay, like this, I'll tell you. Take it back and then turn it around. How many times? Like two times, 2 or 3 times, depends on your length. And then take your rubber band and there you go. Make a bun like this. So now we'll do the same thing for the other side also. Okay, so have you already damp your hair? Now do it once more if you need it. I think I need it. Now start from above and start turning. Take your whole hair, damp it, and then twist it around, turn it around, picking by one, and then making a bun of it like this. Just need to take your whole hair up and turn it around 3 times, or it depends on the length. So I prefer 3 times. It's need to be a little tight, to make sure you have a nice wave. So that's it for now, and now you have, all you do is go to sleep and wake up in the morning and then see what are the results.
The next morning.
Let's see how it turns up. Now slightly rub your fingers into your hair. Make sure you're not losing out your wavy hair. So this is how it has turned out. It's really nice, I'm loving this hair. I think it's really nice. You haven't used any heat, you don't need to use any kind of heat. I think it's really nice. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and do try it at home. And if you like the video, then give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.